Hello and good day. On this episode of Maine Wildlife we will be talking about seagulls. Great. Seagulls are a devastatingly rude avian species. Okay. Well then. Seagulls are notorious snatchers of beach snacks and half-eaten sandwiches. They have developed a manipulative hunting strategy of luring in mindless tourists with their majestic regality. Close enough for an attack. That's when they swoop in for your sandwich. Pesky thieves. I wouldn't put any trust in them if I were you. If you ever find yourself in a situation where one or more seagulls are coming for your sandwich, remember to pause, drop the sandwich, and run. Oh my. That's disgusting. Gross. It's hard to believe that's what they're into, but to each its own. I personally wouldn't go digging through the mud for dinner. Thanks for watching. Remember, pause, drop the sandwich, run.